Okay, this is how you're going to put your Reading A to Z book together. You're going to take your top sheet and put it off to the side. You're going to take each additional sheet and you're going to fold them in half, like so. And stack them on top of each other. And it would help if you have the crease facing you. Almost done. Okay, now it's time to put them in order. As you can see, there are page numbers on the bottom. These are the last two pages. This is 19 and 20. So you're going to put the 20 on the bottom, and it should open to the left, so opposite of what a normal book would do. Okay? Then you're going to do, that's 1920, and this is going to be 1718. Opens on the left. 1516. Opens on the left. 13, 14, 11, 12, 9, 10, 7, 8, 5, 6, 3, 4, and then your title page, okay? You're going to get it all together nice and neat, and it's going to look different because the crease is on the right side, okay? Then you're going to take that title page that you put off to the side, fold that in half. Okay, open it up like a book, and then you're going to take the stack that you just folded, stick it inside, and then make sure it's all down in the crease, and then you're ready to staple on the left side. You can do 1, 2, or 3 staples, whatever you like. Okay, and there you have your book. Happy reading!